Alright, what's going on, guys? A little bit different. Changed it out, and now I just got a new camera yesterday, and so you guys are gonna have to tell me if it's better or if it's worse, but I don't think it's possibly gonna be worse. So I ended up getting a SL2. Number one, they're great price. Number two, they're one of the better cameras for video. But to what we're actually doing today, so as you can see, that's a TurboSmart box. And long story short, fuel pressure regulator I had before was fucked, so I had to get a new one. And I bought a whole bunch of TurboSmart stuff that's coming in still. So, but this is the FPR 1200, and let's take a look in here. Now I have actually already opened this. Normally this comes in a bag, and there's normally a sticker in here, but I already put it on my laptop. LOL. Just grab it in. So, as you can see, it's purple. That's a really nice unit though. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, shit, there's no one even there, dude. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Who are you barking at? There's no one there. Hey. You're a good man. So yeah, we're gonna go and install this on the JZ. And I'm gonna give you guys an update on the JZ because, well, it's been some time. So, let's get at it. Alright, so long story short, honestly, I've been having a little bit of a nightmare just trying to tune this thing for the only reason that, my cam, no, let's put it this way, okay? The base map that they send you or whatever that you get is not actually set up at all whatsoever. So you realistically have to set up your own base map. And then on top of that, you got to set up all your own triggers and stuff, which is not a problem if you're a tuner. Now, like I said in previous videos, like I've tuned stuff before, but I've never set anything up from scratch. So this was definitely a bit of a learning curve. At the end of the day, yeah, it was just a lot of stress. Let's just put it that way. I worry more than I ever should, and I'm literally worried about all the smallest things. This, that, this, that, this, that, this, that. But at the end of the day, I have everything all set up correctly. The only problem I'm having is that this fuel pressure regulator is faulty, so it's not actually going up 1-to-1. So yeah, I just need to change that out, and then after I get that changed out, this wastegate down here is faulty. You can see over in here, down in that dark ass area. So yeah, it's just been one faulty thing after another, and as you can see, I have no blow off valve there anymore because that was once again faulty. So realistically, with just my luck, it's just pretty much how it's been going. It's just a good time. A lot of stuff just gets damaged in actual shipping and stuff, and at that point it just fucking sucks, to be honest with you, but it is what it is. So I'm just keeping, and I've just been kind of enjoying the summer because now the weather's nice, and just been waiting for parts to come in. I'm hoping that my wastegate comes in, I'm hoping next week, but I doubt it. Hopefully the weekend after, or the week after. And then after that comes in, then I can actually take this thing out for the first drive and see if it's running pretty decent, see if I need to make any more adjustments to the VE table and stuff like that. So let's get started and let's start banging this fuel pressure regulator out. Alright, so I have this mounted up down here with 2 Phillips screws. So before I move it from its mount, I'm actually going to disconnect the lines and this vacuum line. Now,
what we do here is go back.
Alright, now what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to move the location and put it in here. So the way to put this fuel pressure regulator on this Turbo Smart fuel pressure regulator is, here's the base, focus, and then this just goes on here, like that, and then you got your C-clip that you expand, and it goes on there like that. So Alright guys, so as you saw, fuel pressure regulator is installed. It looks really good in this spot. Let's try and get some better lighting on this. Nice and clean. But as you can see, I do want to change this over obviously to a sensor instead of a gauge. But looking back here like this, that looks pretty damn good right there. I actually really like it right there. So yeah, A+. But yeah, so like I was saying, at the end of the day, there's a lot of things I can do. There's a lot of things I can't do. There's a lot of things that take time to do. And this is one of those things that just takes some time. So that's the only reason I haven't taken it for the first drive. I just can't wait. I'm just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for this fucking wastegate to come in. So hopefully that'll come in soon. But, yeah. This is pretty much going to be put on hold for a little bit for the main reason of that I'm building a truck at work for SEMA, so that's going to be probably 2 weeks of not having any time to do anything for myself realistically. But I'm going to be getting content to that, so after this video look forward to seeing some actual content of me building this truck for SEMA. If you want to see it, if you don't, just don't watch it. But thanks for watching guys, really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions about a fuel pressure regulator or not, or anything like that, just hit me up and I'll do my best to get back to you with the best knowledge that I have. Take it easy guys, I really appreciate watching.